Welcome to part 11 of our series, Starting a Business with ChatGPT-A Step-by-Step Guide. Today, we're diving into setting up the technical infrastructure. Join us as we navigate the process of creating a robust technical foundation for your ChatGPT-powered business. Step 112. Assessing technical requirements. Start by assessing your business's technical needs with the help of ChatGPT. Step 113. Infrastructure design. Leverage ChatGPT to design an efficient technical infrastructure. Consider cloud solutions, hosting options, and network configurations for a scalable and secure setup. Step 114. Data management. ChatGPT can assist in data management strategies. Define how you'll collect, store, and protect data, including customer information and business insights. Step 115. Cybersecurity. Use ChatGPT's guidance to implement robust cybersecurity measures and protect your business against threats and data breaches. Step 116. Website and app development. For your website or app development, ChatGPT can help you outline the process, including features, functionalities, and user experience. Step 117. Integration of ChatGPT. Integrate ChatGPT's features seamlessly into your platforms for a more powerful user experience. Step 118. Scalability. ChatGPT can provide insights into expansion plans and capacity requirements, ensuring your technical infrastructure is scalable. Step 119. Technical support. Create a technical support plan with ChatGPT's assistance to ensure smooth operations and excellent customer experiences. Step 120. Disaster recovery. ChatGPT can help you create a disaster recovery strategy to minimize downtime and data loss in emergencies. Step 121. Compliance. Stay compliant with industry regulations with ChatGPT's guidance on necessary compliance measures. Step 122. Testing and quality assurance. Define testing protocols and quality assurance processes before launching with the help of ChatGPT. Step 123. Continuous monitoring. Establish monitoring systems with ChatGPT to detect issues promptly and ensure seamless operations. Step 124. Technical documentation. ChatGPT can assist in creating clear documentation for troubleshooting and reference. With ChatGPT's guidance, you'll build a solid technical foundation to support your ChatGPT-powered business's growth and ensure seamless operations. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in Starting a Business with ChatGPT-A Step-by-Step Guide.